Okay, discussing good topic sentences. Your learning target is I will know what is a good topic sentence and how to write one. So, what is a good topic sentence? It comes as the first sentence in each of your body paragraphs. It should directly relate to the thesis. It tells the reader what that paragraph is about. Ideas are clear and focused. These are your reasons that support the thesis and entire essay. So if you are going to convince me of something or explain something to me, some idea to me, you would come up with reasons beforehand, right? What points are you going to make? That's what your body paragraphs are. These are the reasons or points you're going to make. So that first sentence within that body paragraph is telling me what is your reason or your point. And then the rest of the paragraph, you're just going into more detail to explain it, improve it, support it. Okay, these are planned and carefully chosen before you write. You can most definitely plan out an essay before you write it. You can have an idea of where you're going, what reasons you're going to focus on, and how you want to organize those within your body paragraphs. And then you can come up with your topic sentences before you write. You can know what your reasons are before you go to write your whole essay. Good writing plans out in advance these things, so you're not just writing whatever comes to mind when it comes to mind. That's a great thing to do when you're in the planning stage, not in the drafting or finalizing stage. Okay, you can write through everything that comes to mind and then focus it and organize it. Okay, I have a big secret for you. Shh. Okay, top secret. Okay, I should be able to read only your topic sentences and know the main ideas of your essay. I wouldn't get any of the details, but I definitely should get the main ideas that you're trying to make. Okay, let me say that again. Make sure you understand. If you turned in a huge long essay or a short one, either way, I should only be able to read those topic sentences. I should just be able to read those first sentences, one sentence in every paragraph, and know exactly what you wanted to discuss within your essay, what your main ideas were. Okay, that means your topic sentences should be very clear and that you know what you're discussing in each paragraph. What is the main idea of each paragraph? And each of those paragraphs should relate directly to that thesis and that prompt. Right? Your paragraphs are there to support your thesis. Okay, let's look at an example. So here's a thesis. It is not always perfect, but the diversity, individual stories, and contributions to society are what allow this life to be considered as a poetic being. Okay, so we know already she has a three-pronged thesis here. We're going to read about diversity, individual stories, and contributions to society, and in that order. And that her point she's trying to make is that these allow life to be considered as a poetic being, or like life is kind of like poetry. Okay, let's look at her sentences. So topic sentence 1, the diversity of not only this nation, but of all countries is what makes this world so great. Okay, so she's already followed that same order from that thesis, the topic or idea of diversity. And now we know within this paragraph, she's going to focus on diversity and how this diversity makes the world great. So that is her reason in support of her thesis, which is basically that these things make life poetic, right? So she's saying diversity of this nation is something that makes the world great. And she's going to relate that to how that means life is poetic. Okay, topic sentence 2. A key element to the poetic nature of this world is the story of each individual. Okay, she's followed that same order, we can tell. She's right in line with her thesis, which would relate back to that prompt, which we didn't read whatever the prompt was, but we can tell it has something to do with this topic that she's discussing. And again, we know in this paragraph, that's what she's going to focus on. Topic sentence 3, along with differences comes unique contributions to society that can change it for the better. Again, a great reason in support of that thesis. We know exactly what she's going to talk about in this paragraph and how these contributions make it better. Okay, so in other words, what is the main idea of your paragraph? What is your main point? The topic sentence is going to state that main idea, and that's that first sentence within your paragraph. It tells us the topic or the main idea. Let's look at another example. So here's a paragraph. Let's look at our topic sentence there. There are 3 reasons why Canada is one of the best countries in the world. So in this case, they're talking about this one idea just within a paragraph. So we already know right off the bat, within this paragraph, we are going to read specifically 3 reasons why Canada is one of the best countries in the world. So not just any 3 things about Canada. It's 3 reasons why it's one of the best countries. Okay, so if we read the rest of the paragraph, we see here first, Canada has an excellent healthcare system. And then the next sentence, she's describing what that means. We're going to skip ahead here. This one right here, it says students are taught by well-trained teachers and are encouraged to continue studying at university. So that's another reason. Okay, good schools or good education. And then her last reason she gives, finally, Canada's cities are clean and efficiently managed. And then she gives some more detail. And then the last sentence here, as a result, Canada is a desirable place to live. So we can tell within this topic sentence 3 reasons why she followed that same idea within her paragraph. So whatever that main idea is that you're stating in that topic sentence, you want to talk about that and discuss that in detail, stay focused on that within your paragraph. So she doesn't just go on and on about Canada or anything else that comes to mind. Okay, she's focused on 3 reasons why Canada is the best within this paragraph. Okay, let's do a practice. Okay, my question is, what would be a good topic sentence for the following information? So we have a blank line there for you to fill in a good topic sentence. You're going to be coming up with a good topic sentence. So let's read the paragraph. So remember that our topic sentence is missing here. So we don't know what is the main idea yet because it's not identified yet. So let's read that paragraph and see if we can figure out what is that main idea of that paragraph. They can be grown anywhere that has a warm tropical climate. Most bananas come from countries in Central and South America. They are picked when they are still green because they will ripen as they are shipped around the world. Bananas have become a global fruit. Okay, so we can tell already that the topic or the main idea is something about bananas. We also notice that it's talking about bananas everywhere or all over the world in many different places. So a sample sentence might be something like this. Bananas can be found all over the world. Right? That tells us what is discussed in this paragraph. That is our topic sentence. Okay, let's have you try one. What would be a good topic sentence for the following information? So you come up with the topic sentence for this one. The rest of the paragraph states, one benefit is that it can improve your memory if you listen to it while you study. Other types of music can be distracting, but classical music can actually increase your attention span. Children will do better in school if they listen to this type of music. Okay, come up with a good topic sentence for this paragraph. Okay, please answer the questions for this activity now.